My name is Brad Bagley, and I work for World Vision Canada. And recently I was fortunate enough to visit the Soin community in Kenya and see the amazing work that World Vision is doing on the ground. World Vision has only recently started working in the Soin area, but already there are amazing things happening in health and education.
The healthcare situation in Soin, the families down in the valley, they cannot get medical attention because the only way to do that is to climb up the mountain and go wait in line and then climb back home. And that's a day's journey to do that.
So World Vision actually came up with an idea and approached the Ministry of Health on mobile clinics. And World Vision now picks up the nurses, drops them off, and helps them set up their mobile clinics so that families actually have access to health care. They have immunization records for all the children now. They have mobile HIV and AIDS testing centers where they actually do provide some counseling and support at the same time. And then at the end of the day, World Vision goes back and picks up the nurses and brings them back to the Ministry of Health. So when we were doing the house surveys with the community elders in the Rift Valley, we came upon a household where the youngest son actually had cerebral palsy. There was 5 other children, and the mother had absolutely no way of getting health care, immunizations, vitamins, or anything for any of the children because she could not bring all the kids up to the top of the valley to go to the clinic. So the mobile health clinics actually enabled her to have checkups for all of her kids and to get actual vitamin treatment for the children that needed it. We had the opportunity to actually go out to one of the schools that World Vision helped fund, and the parents, the school committee, they were all there to greet the visitors from World Vision. And just really they wanted to extend their thanks and to show their commitment and their involvement in education and bettering the lives of their children. World Vision provided training in leadership and mentorship to the school committee itself so that they would be able to continue to grow the school system that they have there.
Just before we were leaving, the kids sang a song for us, and the headmaster translated. It was, "Thank you, brothers. Thank you, sisters. Thank you, World Vision." It was very moving being part of an organization that was making an impact, a positive impact in children's lives. The people on the ground that do the hard day-to-day heavy lifting of World Vision, their dedication to the children blew me away. It made me come back to Canada saying, yeah, you know what, I can do better. Out in the field, these people, they know where this money's coming from. They know that the generosity of the Canadian sponsors is making this work possible and making it possible for them to go out into the field and to actually help children have better lives.
So when I think back on my visit to the Soin area, one of the things that actually gives me the greatest hope is the responsibility that the community takes for their own improvement. They're actively partnering with World Vision. They're actively partnering with the government. They're taking the responsibility to build a better community for themselves and for their children. And just seeing that type of commitment out there in the field from World Vision staff, from the community, and the partnerships with the government, it fills my heart with hope for the children in that ADP.